Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to set up and use Roblox Authenticator app on mobile. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Roblox application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here the Roblox application has been opened. So by using the Authenticator app, you'll be able to enable the two-step verification, which is very important for adding the extra layer of security to your account. So in order to do that, what you have to do is look at bottom. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the more interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for settings and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find the options like account info, security, privacy and content restrictions, etc. Tap on the option security that you can see at second. Now you'll be led to the security interface. Wait for it to load. Now in the security interface, you'll be able to find the section for two-step verification. You'll be able to find the options like Authenticator app, email, hardware security keys. At first, you'll be able to find the option for Authenticator app. So in order to use it, what you have to do is toggle the button right next to this option. Now first of all, you'll have to enter the code that is sent to you via email. So simply open Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Roblox has sent me the email, so simply tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the two-step verification code. Memorize this code or you can also copy it if you want. Now after you do that, go back to the Roblox application. Now enter the 6-digit code over here. After you do that, tap on the verify option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the manual entry key. What you have to do is copy this key. Simply long press on this key and you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option copy. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply open the Authenticator app. You can open the Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator or any other authentication application. If you do not have these applications, you can simply download it from Play Store or App Store. Now here I'm just going to use the Google Authenticator app, so simply open it. Now due to privacy and security reason, the Authenticator application will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. At bottom, you'll be able to find the plus icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here. Scan a QR code, enter a setup key. Simply tap on this option, enter a setup key. Now you'll be led to another interface. What you have to do is enter the code details over here. So what you have to do is tap on the field of code name and enter the code name over here. I'm just going to enter Roblox. Now tap on the option your key and enter the manual key over here. Now after you do that, tap on the add option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, the key will be added and you'll be able to see the 6-digit verification code over here. So all you have to do is memorize this code or copy this code. Go back to the Roblox application. Now simply enter the 6-digit code over here. Once you do that, tap on the verify option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the backup codes over here. Memorize this code. Simply tap on this option. I've saved my backup codes. Now after doing that, tap on the close option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here the option for Authenticator app will be enabled. So like this, you'll be able to use the Roblox Authenticator app. So that is how you set up and use Roblox Authenticator app on mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.